Hi guys, for today's video, we are here at SM with my mom and my grandma. We are just eating at Jollibee because grandma said she is hungry. I'm vlogging this because it's like a bonding moment. As you can see, my grandma is a slow eater, so you can see that my mom is feeding grandma to help her eat faster.
Got the kick.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching our little bonding moment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next one. Bye!